Good morning, children. Hello, how are you all? Children, I hope you are fine and taking good care of yourself. In the last class, I have already started the chapter Mineral Resources, that is chapter number 12 from your geography book, and we have already covered iron ore. Second important mineral found in India is manganese ores. Manganese ore is a vital component of steel, and over 90% of manganese produced world over is used for metallurgical purpose. Now children, manganese is black, hard and iron-like metal which occurs as natural oxide. It is an important raw material for smelting of iron ore and also used for manufacturing ferroalloys. Now children, after this, what are the uses of manganese? Manganese is also very useful, children. Now manganese provinces are in the peninsular India, which include these many states, which I will just read later on. First I am going to read what are the uses of mineral. Manganese is used to make steel tough and resistant of rusting. You all know, children, that iron ore rust very quickly, but steel does not rust. Therefore it is an important raw material for the iron and steel industry. Manganese is used in manufacturing of black enamel in chemical industries, for manufacturing bleaching powder, and electrical and glass industries. Manganese is used to form a number of important alloys. It is also used in dry cell batteries. If you any time when you open the battery that you have, you will find black substance, that is manganese. And then manganese is used to manufacture vital enzymes of metabolism of fats and proteins. Manganese can also regulate blood sugar level and supports the immune system. Manganese is essential for plant growth, and it is involved in the reduction of nitrate in green plant and algae when disturbed in the current amount. These are some important uses of manganese. Now comes about the distribution of manganese. In India, which are the places where manganese are found? Whatever is given in your book, children, on page number 142, when you read, you will come to know the importance and uses of manganese. Here it is given that the deposits of manganese in India includes the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Gujarat and Bihar. Two states, namely Karnataka and Orissa, dominate the ore reserve scenario according 40% and 25% of the national endowment respectively. Now MP, Maharashtra manganese belt and Goa provide a substantial amount of manganese ore. So children, these are the places where we get a good amount of manganese in India, we can say. And here, children, you can see in the map, this kind of map is also provided in your book, children. So when it comes for practice, you can practice from the book. The map is given on page number 142. The important deposits lie in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa, Karnataka, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Goa. If you see the map, children, you will see that it is found mostly in the southern part of India. These manganese is found. So here you see the distribution of manganese in our country. A part of it, children, when you see the next slide, whatever we have just now read, the states, here it is given in the map chart, state wise production of manganese ore in India, and here you can see how many percent is found. Just now I have read the state, but how much percent comes from each state? Here you see that Karnataka 17%, Andhra Pradesh 3%, others all then Orissa 32%, Maharashtra 26%, and Madhya Pradesh 21%, and remaining 1% in some other state. This is the distribution of manganese in our country. This chart is also given in your book, children. It is not difficult to go through the book, but I'll show you the slide. Next mineral that we will study in from your book is bauxite. Children, chromite is another material that we will not do. Now we are coming to next is your bauxite. So children, just now I will read from your book first, and then you will see the slide. We are coming to the slide just now. Then bauxite I will by the time it comes in this I will read. Bauxite is aluminium, is a silver white metal and is very light in weight but very strong. Children, keep it in mind, this minerals properties with the state where it is found and the uses is very important. Every time in board exams one question based on this comes every year, so please keep it in mind. And this bauxite also comes, what are the uses and all, this is very important, so please go through the lesson very well. Oxide is the essential ore of aluminium. Ore means raw, but it is raw of aluminium. It contains over 99% of metallic aluminium. We get aluminium from bauxite. Because aluminium ductile, it can be drawn into wire or pressed into sheet or foil, aluminium foil. Okay, so it can be used. That is why in making an aeroplane, body of aeroplane is made up of this aluminium sheet, because it is very very light. Most bauxite is first processed to make aluminium or aluminium oxide, a white granular material. Worldwide sources of bauxite are large enough to supply the demand of aluminium for some time to come. Now children, after this I will read from the book the uses of aluminium. Bauxite, children. I said aluminium, it is bauxite. Bauxite is the main source of aluminium, which is a light-weighted, strong and rust-resistant metal. Aluminium is used in aircraft because it is very light, so it is used in aircraft. Then automobiles, rail wagons, coaches, shipping industries and household appliances. At home you can see, if you go through your kitchen, you enter your kitchen, you will see a lot of things made up of aluminium. It is used in electrical equipment industry and for transmitting electricity because it is good conductor of electricity. Pure aluminium is the best material for making headlight, reflectors and mirror and in telescope. So these are the important uses of bauxite. Now children, will see the distribution of bauxite. Now here it is given only, this is not just I'll show you the slide, but it is not meant for you children. It is not that important for you children. Next we will see that children, next is the aluminium, distribution of aluminium, and important properties are also given that I had just read just now. It resistant to corrosion, to use it in aircraft, that I have told you. And all these are, it is one of the most important non-ferrous metal used in modern industries. It is also an essential ore of refractory and chemical industry. It has abundant resource of bauxite which can meet both domestic and export demands. So here are some more important properties of given here. Then children, bauxite in India, what are the distribution? So resources of bauxite in the country are about 3,480 million tons. By states, Odisha alone accounts for 52% of country's resource of bauxite, followed by Andhra Pradesh, that is 18%. That means the highest producer or highest producer of bauxite, where we find the bauxite, is Odisha with 52%. Gujarat 7%, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra 5% each, and Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand 4% each. Major bauxite resources are concentrated in the east coast. Just now we will see the map and then you will come to know that major part is found in the east coast of India children. I think we will go see in the next slide. Here again, like other mineral, The distribution is shown in a chart. This is statewide production, and here again you will see that Maharashtra 10%, we get a bauxite in Maharashtra, from Maharashtra 10%, Tamil Nadu 2%, Orissa 40%, Gujarat 23%, Jharkhand 12%, Chhattisgarh 11%, and other state 2%. So this is the distribution in our country in India about bauxite. After bauxite, okay children, after bauxite only one mineral is left that I want to do in the next class. Your homework children I am telling you here only, and one thing you remember children, you read this lesson, go through the lesson. Next time we will have, when we will meet in Zoom class, whatever problem you have or whatever part you have not understood, you please write in a paper or in copy, and we will discuss that in that Zoom class. So read the lesson, don't just ask any question, first go through the lesson, because I will also ask you something. So first read the chapter. If you find something difficult, you have not understood, I will clear your doubt in that class, and in that class only I will explain you about copper. So children, here you do question number 1 in your copy, that much which is given on page number 145. So you do neatly in the copy, and try to do a map work also children, like this is given, the map is also given, you do that also. Now children, we will end of the class here. Have a good day, take care of yourself.